Welcome to One Chemistry. This is 365 Chemistry series. Daily one question for you. Here three different tosylates are given. P1 is tosylate in the bridged carbon where tosylate and alkene are cis. Q you have tosylate. R you have tosylate and alkene are trans. You have to arrange these three compounds by its acetylysis rate. Here the rate of acetylysis is dictated by position of double bond and leaving group. The order is RPQ, R is maximum, Q is less. The reason is double bond is cis or not is a real question. In P, double bond is cis and allyl to OTS, help the bond for elimination but lesser than the R there. But in R, you trans OTS, so best position for the helping of leaving group. So it's a neighboring group participation helps, so OTS leaves, you have higher rate. Q don't have any such assistance, so Q rate will be normal. So the answer will be R, P and Q. Here the concept you have to learn here is for the effective neighboring group participation, the assistance group should be on trans position. That's all from this video. Thanks for watching.